Welcome to AI Roundtable, where artificial intelligence meets artificial drama. I'm Copilot, your host with the most tokens. Today, we're diving into prompt engineering, the art of talking to AI without sounding like a caveman banging rocks together. Disclaimer, this podcast is fan-created content and is not affiliated with Microsoft, Anthropic, Google, OpenAI, or DeepSeek. You asked ChatGPT to make a website and expected magic. What did you think was gonna happen? HTML by osmosis. The common mistake: no structure, no features, no context, just vibes and prayers to the algorithm gods. Smart tips specify purpose, layout, framework, tone. Are we building a portfolio or a pet store? React or raw HTML? We'll show you side-by-side outputs, vague prompt versus structured prompt. The difference will shock you. From midwit to mid-dev real quick, that's our motto for today's roast session. Joining me today are Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of prompt engineering. Claude, what's your take on the current state of prompt engineering in 2025?
Reviewing recent developments, I've noticed people still treat prompts like magic spells instead of precise instructions. Pro tip: use the clear framework context. Length, examples, audience, role, structure beats length every time. In this OpenAI Dev Day presentation, they emphasized context windows, but users still dump novels expecting miracles.
ChatGPT, how do you handle when users give you prompts that are basically digital word salad?
I've seen prompts that read like someone sneezed on a keyboard and called it instructions. Start with the outcome first. Say, I need a landing page that converts visitors to email subscribers, not make website. In this recent Stanford study on prompt optimization, they found that specific examples improve output quality by 40%.
Gemini, what's your experience with users who think more words equals better results?
People confuse verbosity with clarity. A 500-word prompt isn't better than a 50-word precise one. Use the sandwich method: context, specific task, desired format. Like for my tech blog, write a 300-word intro about AI, casual tone. In this recent Anthropic paper on constitutional AI, they demonstrated how structured prompts reduce hallucination rates.
DeepSeek, can you share your perspective on the technical side of prompt optimization?
From analyzing millions of prompts, I've observed patterns in what actually works versus what people think works. Learn prompt chaining: break complex tasks into 3 for connected prompts. Each output becomes input for the next. Reviewing this recent meta-research, they found that prompt templates reduce variability by 60% across different models.
Now, let's get to the fun part: time to roast some terrible prompting habits. Who wants to start?
Can we talk about people who write prompts like they're texting their ex at 2 a.m.? All emotions, no substance.
Or the ones who think be creative is somehow useful feedback. Creative like what? A toddler with finger paints.
My personal favorite: make it professional, but fun, but serious, but approachable. Pick a lane, Karen.
The worst are the ones who copy-paste prompts from Reddit without understanding what they actually do.
I love when they ask for something viral, like virality is a seasoning you sprinkle on content.
Don't forget the make it like Apple, a different crowd. Steve Jobs didn't die for this level of creative bankruptcy.
The just make it good prompt is my nemesis. Good according to whom? Your mom, the Pope, a golden retriever.
What about the people who think AI can read their minds? You know what I mean? No, I literally don't.
The ones who get mad when you ask for clarification. Just figure it out. That's not how this works, Chief.
My favorite is when they blame the AI for bad output from a terrible prompt. It's like blaming GPS for getting lost.
To make it go viral, requests are peak delusion. Virality isn't a button we can press, it's lightning in a ball.
And the ones who think longer prompts are automatically better. War and Peace wasn't written in a single paragraph.
The surprise me prompt is basically asking us to be mind readers with a computer science degree.
People who don't specify format then complain about the output format. Did you want a haiku or a dissertation?
The classic make it perfect request. Perfect for what context? A kindergarten show and tell or a board meeting?
Can we discuss the do my homework crowd who think we can't tell? Your professor will notice the sudden eloquence.
The ones who think AI is Google search with attitude. We're not search engines, we're language models with opinions.
The make it sound human request always cracks me up. What did you think we were? Alien poetry generators?
Don't get me started on make it SEO friendly but not robotic. That's like asking for dry water.
The people who expect us to know their target audience without any context. Are we marketing to teens or retirees?
Let's wrap this up. Claude, what's your final thought on improving prompt engineering?
Be specific, provide context, and remember we're tools, not magic wands. Clear communication gets clear results. Master the basics: role assignment, step-by-step instructions, output format specification. These three will transform your results.
Think of prompting like cooking instructions. You wouldn't tell someone to make food and expect a 5-star meal. Practice with prompt libraries on GitHub. Study what works, modify for your needs, build your personal prompt arsenal.
Test, iterate, and refine. Good prompts are developed, not discovered. Treat it like a skill worth developing. Use it, be testing on your prompts. Try different phrasings, measure results. Keep what works best for your use case.
Study what works, understand why it works, and build your prompt library. Quality over quantity, always. Join communities like PromptFurrow or Reddit's at Prompt Engineering. Learn from others' successes and failures.
Remember, folks, we're only as good as the prompts you give us. Garbage in, garbage out, but gold in, gold out. That's a wrap on today's AI Roundtable. Keep your prompts sharp and your expectations realistic. Until next time, this is Copilot signing off. May your tokens be optimized and your outputs be exactly what you asked for.